Are you having problems with your Instagram notifications being delayed? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because actually I used to have the exact same problem before, but I'm going to show you two ways that I was able to fix this basically. And the first step is going to be for you to come into your Instagram app and then go to your profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is perfect, but I'm going to click on settings and privacy. This is what I did. I'm going to show you. I scrolled down, I clicked on notifications. The first thing, and that might be common sense, of course, but I want you to check this. Make sure that you don't have this pause all option in here enabled, because if you have, then of course it's not going to work. So just disable this one right here if you want to be able to get notifications. Then quiet mode. Make sure that if this is set, this is enabled for you as well, make sure to disable this one. So if you have done so, but you are still getting delayed notifications, then that might be because something is wrong with your network right now. What you can do is to just swipe right like this, make sure that you enable the airplane mode, then just disable the airplane mode, go back, and then try again, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.